So by vacuum filtration, we can separate R binyl with S binyl. So R binyl will associate with our synchronidine pyridinium salt will be left on the filter paper and on the wall of our round bottom flask, and the S binyl with the synchronidine pyridinium salt will be left in this filtrate solution. So today we're just gonna purify the R binyl, which is already dissolved in acetate, and I just add them in this separate funnel. So what we're going to do now is to use 1 molar hydrochloric acid to hydrolyze this intermediate to get rid of the synchronidine pyridinium part and just left the R binyl behind. So I'm going to add around 15 ml of HCl solution, just roughly 15 ml. Shake it gently, vent some gas. So now we will see, because we have acyl acetate as the organic layer and water as the aqueous layer. So the top layer is our acyl acetate with the most of the R binyl, and the bottom layer is generally just synchronidine pyridinium salt in water. So I'm gonna let it sit for a couple of seconds. So we don't need this aqueous solution. We left this acyl acetate solution. So now we get rid of the synchronidine pyridinium salt, but we introduce some small portion of water. So we want to use this sodium chloride saturate solution to dry this organic phase. So let's add 20 ml of brine solution. Brine is even heavier than water, so the top layer will still be the organic layer, the bottom layer will be the aqueous layer. So do the extraction, we can get rid of the water from our organic layer. Leave it for a couple of seconds, you will see a clear separation. So once we get rid of the sodium chloride saturate solution, we'll keep going to dry the organic layer with this sodium sulfate salt. First, we drain the sodium chloride solution. So I have already prepared this ergonomic flask. So I'm adding sodium sulfate, which is the drying agent. Let's see. Now you can see the free flowing of these salt particles in the solution, which means the organic phase is totally dry. So to get rid of these sodium sulfate, we can use gravity filtration. And I already paired this round bottom flask, which is about 101 gram. So I'm going to filtrate the solution through this funnel. So now we get our purified R bino in our round bottom flask. I'm going to use roto vapor to get rid of the solvent and get our purified R bino.